Getting ready to fill out the FAFSA? Same here. I want to get through it as quickly as possible, so I'm gathering everything I need before I even start. Here's what's on my checklist. First up, my FSA ID. It's my login for the FAFSA, and I'll use it every year. I created mine on studentaid.gov. Since I'm a dependent student, my parents need one as well. They'll also be providing my information on my FAFSA. Next, I'm making sure I have my social security number. If you are not a US citizen, but you're eligible for federal aid, you'll need your alien registration number instead. Third, for tax info, I'm using the IRS data retrieval tool. It's built into the FAFSA and pulls in tax data automatically. If you're a dependent like me, your parent will also need to give permission to link their tax information. Fourth, now I'm checking my account balances on my bank accounts to see if there's any untaxed income like child support or veterans benefits. FAFSA looks at your full financial picture, so you want to be as accurate as possible. And finally, I'm making sure to list UW-Stout on my FAFSA. That way, the financial aid office gets my information and you can build your financial aid package. You can list up to 20 schools, so be sure to include any schools that you're considering. Do you have everything? Awesome. You're set and ready to knock out the FAFSA in no time. Start by creating your FSA ID at studentaid.gov. And remember, UW-Stout's financial aid office is here to help. As a Stout student, I know I can connect with my personal financial aid counselor with any questions wherever or whenever I have questions. I have the support that gives me peace of mind while I go through the process thanks to this financial aid office.